In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to perform what-if analysis in Power BI. We'll walk through a simple, practical scenario, testing what happens to your sales if you increase prices. Make sure you have Power BI Desktop open and a report loaded with a data model that includes your sales table. I'll assume you have a table named Sales Data with a column called Sales Amount. If your names are different, just adjust the formulas accordingly. First, we'll create a base measure that captures your current sales. Go to the Modeling tab at the top and click New Measure. In the formula bar, type exactly total sales, sum sales data, sales amount. Press Enter. This gives us a clean starting point that we can reuse across visuals and calculations, and it avoids hard coding logic inside visuals. Next, let's create the what if parameter that represents the potential price increase. Still in the Modeling tab, choose New Parameter, then select Numeric Range. Configure it like this. Name it price increase percent, set the data type to decimal number, minimum to 0, maximum to 50, increment to 1, and default to 0. Click OK. This creates a parameter table with values from 0 to 50 and a helpful measure that returns the currently selected value. It's expressed in percentage points, so 10 means a 10% increase. Now we'll build the measure that applies the price change. In the Fields pane, select your sales table, not the parameter table. Right-click and choose New Measure. In the formula bar, enter sales after increase equal total sales. A 1 plus price increase percent value, 100. Press Enter. The price increase percent value measure comes from the parameter you just created and will dynamically reflect the slicer selection. Let's visualize the impact. Add a slicer to your report canvas and drag in the price increase percent field from the parameter table. Then add two card visuals, one showing total sales and one showing sales after increase. If you'd like cleaner formatting, set your sales measures to currency and the parameter to percentage in the Modeling tab. Now drag the slicer handle to test different scenarios. As you move from 0% up to 50%, you'll see sales after increase adjust instantly, while the original total sales card stays the same for comparison. This is a powerful way to communicate scenarios to stakeholders, and the pattern works for other questions too, like costs, discounts, or unit volumes. Just change the measure logic. Save your report, and you've got a reusable interactive what-if analysis ready to share.